Hello, hi, and welcome everybody after a long time. And since YouTube's new monetization policies, I thought, let me show my face. I hope you're enjoying my cinematic videos, and I've been working really hard to create those, so that you don't get bored while watching my or while listening to my readings. So let us begin your reading here, and let's get started. Hello, hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to today's reading. Now, this is going to be a career reading, and I hope you were enjoying my cinematic videos until now. I've been working really hard in trying to formulate those. And let's get started without any further ado. So this is going to be your career reading, as I already said. And let us begin.
A very warm welcome, dear Scorpios. This is your career reading, and we have
the perfect cards here for you. Scorpio, you are the zodiac of transformation, and I think a major transformative cycle is going on in your life right now, because you have the Fool. That tells me that you are going to take a leap of faith and start on a new journey here. So some kind of journey must be ending for the Fool to come up, and it might be that it is in your mind, but you are not having the courage to go for it. You do not know whether you should go for it or not. So this is a yes card for you. All right, if you have been contemplating whether you should be chasing your dreams, whether you should leave this job, whether you should hop on the new journey, the answer here is yes. And with that, you also have the Star and the Lovers, a very beautiful set of cards for you, Scorpio. The Lovers tells me that you are going to be finding your alignment and your true self in the process. You're going to have choices, but it seems like you have to make the choice that best aligns with your soul. And I think you're going to do it beautifully, because as you're hopping onto the new journey, I think you're going one step closer to the path that you were meant to do on this earth, to the path of your dreams, to your soul calling. And I think you are going to find your path soon if you haven't yet found. I think for a lot of you, this time is bringing in a major change, and a lot of you are feeling this transformative energy, and you just want to begin something new. And tell me this is wrong. It is not. So with the Star, we have your next card as the Knight of Pentacles. This knight here does not move very fast. It moves slowly and steadily, and Scorpio, in order to build something stable, in order to build a legacy, you have to take this approach, the slow and steady wins the race approach. You have to remember that life is a marathon, not a race, and in order to go towards your dream calling, you cannot just expect that you'll take your first few steps and you'll achieve victory, you'll achieve success. No, you'll have to keep putting in the work day in and day out. And as you keep on doing the hard work, you will also learn how to make it smarter. And that is how your progress will keep on going, right? You cannot expect that everything will come to you at once. So, with that, we have the Devil card that tells me some kind of unhealthy attachments are there, maybe to the past wounds, to the past kind of life, maybe to some nostalgia situations. I don't know why I'm getting that, but I see some kind of attachments that you're not ready to let go. For some of you, it also could be substance abuse. For some of you, it could be negative thought patterns. For some of you, it could be negative self-beliefs. You know what you're dealing with, and you know that it's not the right thing for you to do, and you have to take yourself out of it. All right, I'm always here to help you, but you have to give the final push to yourself to stop giving into those devilish things. All right, with that, as your final card, you have the card of Justice that makes sure that karma is done. Everyone who has done their karma shall receive it. And though this is not the card of Wheel of Fortune, but if anything wrong has been done to you, they will get their karma. If you have done anything wrong, then you will get your karma. If you have been dealing with any law and order issues, then the results will come out soon, because this card is here. And this was your reading here. Please make sure that you are listening to your inner nudge. You are striking the right balance, because I see an upgrade here coming in your life. Just make sure you are receiving it with open arms. You are keeping your attachments at bay, attachments that are causing you harm. All right, you are keeping them at bay. And with the Knight of Pentacles, please remember to put in efforts, because only with them will you get the results. These were your messages here, Scorpio. If you enjoy readings like these, you know what to do. Be a part of this channel and let people know that a channel like this exists. And make sure you comment, alright? And I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, take care.